In the 1.9.0 version of ViviCharts, we have a feature called Snapshot Reports. It's a little bit of update and just change of language of the previously report generator, but I want to go through it really quickly. So here I have a list of my reports available, and one of them is called the base incident report. We can see that it's a filterable slide deck. And so what I want to do is I want to go into the viewer to see it. When I click on the eyeball, because I have filters on that report, I'm going to get this question. Do I want a snapshot report or do I want to just go view the current report? I could create the snapshot from here, but let's go ahead and just go into the report and see what we got first. So I'm going to go into the viewer here, and we can see that I have a very just basic report where I have incidents by category and I have incidents by priority. And you can see the numbers. I got 12,928 inquiry help incidents, and I got 12,800 planning incidents here. But this is all of the incidents I have over this time period. So if I wanted to filter it, I could run the filter, and I would be able to, in this case, run by assignment group. But what I want is I want a report that I can share with others that is just the filtered data. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit Snapshot Report. I'm going to give it a title. In this case, it's October 10th, so I kind of want to mark this point in time. I want to get a snapshot of it. So I'm going to say October 10. I'm going to say HR Report. And then here I can choose the report that I want to use to create that snapshot. And I can choose to make this a permanent report, or it'll be temporary if I turn this off. In this case, I'm going to keep it as permanent, and then I'm going to hit Select Filters. Now I get the same filters that you saw before. I get to choose the assignment group that I set up, and then we'll just search for HR, and we'll do the HR delivery team, and I'm going to hit Create Report. Now what's happening is we're building that slide deck and that report in the background using those filters. I can go ahead and create another one if there's another one I wanted to create. But in this case, I want to go look at the report. So I'm going to click View All Snapshot Reports. Now we have a collection that's pre-made that already says, your snapshot reports. And then here's that October 10 HR report. So I can go ahead and open that. Notice it's now the same report, has the same charts, has the same information. However, now it's filtered. You can see that the values in the data here is not as high as it was in just the whole base report. So I have this HR report on October 10th, and I can keep this around. I can go back home. I can go into collections, and then I can always go see the different snapshot reports I have available by going into that collection here. So hopefully, let's go actually take a look, and let's go do the same thing. Let's go into, you can see here it's a snapshot report. It's in my list of my reports because I'm the one that created it. Let's go ahead and create one. Let's create a snapshot report. We'll say temporary October 10 snapshot HR incidents. Okay, and then we'll choose that base report. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the permanent. I'm going to select the filters. We'll select HR again. We'll do integration this time. We'll hit Create Report. Okay, now it's out there creating it. We'll go into the folder. Okay, so notice I have two things here now. One is I got this little warning symbol. If I hover over it, you can see that this will delete at midnight tonight. So sometimes if you're creating these snapshots, you want it just temporary so you can share it or download it to share, and so you don't want to keep them around forever. And so it'll be deleted tonight at midnight. Otherwise, I can go look at it and we'll see again. Got the same report, but it's just now filtered through that other assignment group that I chose. So hopefully you like the new Snapshot Reports capabilities, and look forward to seeing what you build with it.